case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1991, the Arizona Court of Appeals heard the case of Gateway Potato Sales v. GB Investment Company, which revolved around the liability of a limited partner for the debts of a business. In this case, Gateway Potato Sales sued Sunworth Packing Limited Partnership, Sunworth Corporation as its general partner, and GB Investment Company as a limited partner to recover payment for goods supplied to the limited partnership. The trial court granted GB Investment's motion for summary judgment, however. Gateway appealed the decision, claiming that there was conflicting evidence about GB Investment's involvement in Sunworth Packing's day-to-day affairs. According to the Arizona Revised Statutes Annotated, ARS, Section 29, 319, a limited partner is not liable for the obligations of a limited partnership unless they participate in the control of the business. The majority opinion in the Court of Appeals agreed with Gateway, reversing the grant of summary judgment and stating that there was conflicting evidence regarding GB Investment's participation in the control of Sunworth Packing's business. Ultimately, the court determined that the lower court had erred in granting summary judgment to GB Investment, as there was conflicting evidence about the extent of control exercised by the limited partner in the partnership business. This raised a factual question about whether the limited partner's activities amounted to substantial control, similar to that exercised by a general partner. The case was sent back for further proceedings to determine the extent of control exercised by GB Investment over Sunworth Packing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.